Let's do a simple program in Python to display or find the IP address of the system. It's so simple, but in Python we need to install specific module for that. To display the IP address, we need to install socket. Okay, so for that I just return pip install socket in the command prompt. So yeah, now installation is completed, it is enabled. So I can go to Python window. I'll take file new. This is shell mode. I have to take the script mode. Then I can do the code, simple code. I'll tell you what is a simple code to display the IP address. Okay, so I have to import the module in Python. Whenever we need to use additional commands and all, we need to invoke from the modules. For that we are using the keyword import. Before that we need to make sure that that specific module is attached with our Python. So the first step is to import the module, which is the module we are using here. Socket is a module to required to display the IP address of the same. Okay, so next I'm going to create an object hostname. Hostname equal to socket is my module dot get host name, that is attribute attached with that get host name. So in the host name I'm just storing socket dot get host name. So I'm going to write another object, that is IP address, short form of IP address. So that is equal to socket dot get host by name. Then I have to pass the parameter host name. In that host name I have already stored socket dot get host name. Host name is stored in host name variable itself or object. So I have to pass that host name inside this line of code. So now my IP address is already retrieved into the IP address variable or object. Then I'm going to print this one. Let us run the program to see the output. Okay, so I'm going to run my program. Yeah, I'm saving my file. Okay, IP address, have to save. Yes, yeah, you can see the IP address. So it's so simple. Hope it's useful for you. If it is so, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.